Hi, welcome back. Today I would like to tell you about my experience with the NuFace Mini, which is a microcurrent facial toning device. I'm going to show you what was the result of my first treatment with photos of the before and after, as well as how I do my treatment every night. So if you are interested in this content, please stay right there and subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you are over 40, you have probably started to notice what I did quite a while ago, which is the first signs of aging skin. In my case, it started with the loss of elasticity, and first on my eyelids, which became wrinkled and folded, and then on my jowls, which lost their contours, and then with the formation, the beginning of a slight double chin. Now, I know that aging is a normal process and we just have to embrace it and live with it, which is fine, but I think that try to do it as gracefully as possible is the right option. So, what can microcurrent do for us? Either through a treatment at a beauty spa or using an at-home device, microcurrent has two main benefits. It has the benefit of increasing your muscles tone and improving your blood circulation. And why is this important? Well, by increasing the muscle and the facial tone, you can expect to see an improvement on your overall tone of your skin, and also an improvement on the contours of your face. The second thing is that by delivering energy to our skin and improving the blood circulation, we can expect an increase in the skin's cells activity, and therefore an increase on the production of collagen and elastin, which are at the end the responsibles for improving and maintain our elasticity, which we lose as we age, and also to reduce the wrinkles. So what changed is that in recent years a big explosion has occurred with the invention of microcurrent facial at-home devices. And I only noticed that when I saw Lisa Eldridge's last year video, in which she said that she had been using the NuFace Mini for 1 year now, and that she really liked it. She really saw results in her face and skin, and I thought to myself, well, if Lisa, which is my beauty guru of all time, if Lisa likes it, at least I should give it a try. So about 2 months ago, I saw on one site which is called Current Body, and this is not a sponsored video, I saw that they were doing like a 20% sale. So I decided to take the opportunity and get the simplest model, which is the NuFace Mini. There's another one which is called the Trinity, which basically the top where can be removed, and there are different attachments that can be placed to not only give the microcurrent treatment, but also a red light treatment, and also it has also specific heads for instance, for more focused treatment on the eye area. My NuFace came in this box, and brought with it a gel primer to be used with the equipment to ensure the conductivity, a box with 5 Prep and Glow, and these are some cloths, dual-faced, that have on one side they clean and on the other side they microexfoliate, and they are supposedly good to use before the equipment, and a sample of a NuFace serum that is to be used as a conductivity primer as well with the equipment, but I have not tried it yet. And it brought this nice pouch, which is very good and handy to take the equipment when we are traveling. The Mini or the Trinity have a button here on the center, which we can turn it on here and turn it off and choose the setting in which we want to work. They advise to start with the lowest setting and then increase. It has 3 settings. I started immediately with the strongest one because I found that when we do place enough gel on our face, you don't have any sensation whatsoever, so it's perfectly soothing to use it. You do want to put enough gel because we want the electricity, the microcurrent to jump from one of the heads to the other, like totally through our skin, and like this to take the highest benefit of the treatment. Before I show you how I do the treatment every night and the photos of the before and after, I just would like to say that I tried to control and use the same light, the same camera settings, and place myself in the same position with the same expression for the photos. So I think I was moderately successful, and I think the conclusions I got are not influenced by any of these variables.
Above the thick of the brow and slowly glide toward the hairline until the beep sounds. Move to the arch of the brow and glide toward the hairline. Move to the thick end of the brow and glide toward the hairline. Repeat the sequence 3 times. For the advanced treatment, we'll start at the jawline.
Ooh.
Lift and hold the spheres horizontally. towards your ear, lift and hold. Now place the spheres vertically along your jaw and lift and hold.
Hi.
Position. Lift and hold. Now repeat the same steps on the other side of your face. When finished, remove the gel primer with a damp cloth. It's that simple. Spend as little as 5 minutes a day or up to 20 for your desired results.
I'm going to do my left side and then I'll be back with photos of before and after for you to check what results I got. I don't see any improvement on my contours nor a reduction on my nasolabial fold, but I do see an improvement on my eyelids. If you look at the space between the roots of my eyelashes and the beginning of the eyelid folds, you can see that that space has increased from the before to the after picture. So that's positive. Additionally, when I look to the after photos, I always see that my face has a more pinkish hue to it, which means that the blood circulation was improved. I'm going to continue on doing those treatments. NuFace says that the effects that you see with 1 or 2 treatments are temporary and disappear after 24-72 hours, and you have to do the treatment for continuously for 60 days, once per day for at a minimum of 5 treatments per week, in order to see more permanent results. So at the end of my 60 days I will be back with the second video, and hopefully by then I will have some good results regarding this here to show you. Just a further call out, obviously this treatment is not a short-term treatment. We need to do it continuously for a medium-long period in order to really see results. Luckily I find it very soothing, and I do it at night before I go to bed when I'm seeing emails or any YouTube videos or reading a book, and it's relaxing. So I think I will be able to maintain it continuously during the 60 days. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!